Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hidayatul Rahman. In today's tutorials, I will show you how to create a screen lock button on the screen. So it is a requested video. So let's start how to make the screen lock screen button in 5.emui 5.0 or 8.0 after update. So many people don't find it. So simply it is a trick. Pinch the screen like this and you will find here a widget button. So click the widget button and simply go here a screen lock. When you click that, it will create it in your screen. So simply arrange it and click that the screen will locked. So I will show you simply that. It's pretty easy. And the next one is that how to create a cleaning memory cleaning button on the screen. So simply again pinch the screen like that and go to widgets and go to this optimizer. Find the optimizer, here is it, and click on that and you will find that optimizer. So arrange it in the screen and when you click that, the memory will be cleared. Simply it will release the unused memory. So here's today trick is it is a requested video of a person Jason. So Jason, I hope you will understand that. So thanks for watching. Have a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.